My name is Zachary Durbin, and this is my project for week 4 for cse341. What I have so far, unfortunately I wasn't able to get something I did broke my app in Heroku, so I keep getting an error. When I open it up, it says this. When I go look at the logs, it comes back with this error. However, I do have it in my programming now with the Swagger files and the routes and everything else. I'm just not sure where the code is broken. When I do try it, it is at least trying to reach it, but I can't get this to fix, so it's not displaying properly. And that's what I have completed for this week. Thank you.